Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw another Hungry Shark World creature, and I'm going to show you how to draw Magma Sharkjira. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right over here towards the edge of my paper, and I'm just going to make a small circle just like this for the eye. Now starting here, I'm going to make lines going to go up and over like a check mark. And starting here, we're going to make lines going to go up, and it's going to come really close to the eye. Now I'm going to take this line, I'm going to go up and bring it back to here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up in like a smile. Then we're going to bring it down. It's going to come out pretty far, almost lined up with the nose. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come out and up like this. Now, inside of here, we're going to add some sharp teeth. We're going to make them a little bigger as they get back. And we'll add a couple small ones here, and then some really big ones, and make a few smaller ones as they come back. Starting here, I'm going to make lines going to go down and up for a few wrinkles. And then I'm just going to make a line that's going to come out to about here. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, and one that's going to come down. Then we want to make the hand. So I'm going to start by making a line that's going to go up and down for some claws. One more here, and one here. We're going to go up and then down and come back. Then I'm going to curve this up here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and over to here. Then I'm going to draw a little line here, and we're going to make the back leg. So to do this, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come up to here. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down and up. One more down and up. And one more right here. It's going to come up. We'll come up to here. And I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and it's going to go right to about there. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come down to a point. Make another line that goes out and then in. And we're going to make a line that's going to come down and up to a point, down and up to here. Now, starting up here, we're going to begin adding some details on here. Now, starting right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up to a point and down. These are going to be some of the spikes. We're going to leave some space. There's going to be another one up here. These spikes are going to have a few more kind of like points and angles on them. They're not going to be super round. They're going to be just kind of a little more pointier in spots. Make another big one up here. I'm going to add another kind of pointy one right over here. We're going to add some over here. Now I want to come in here and add some bigger ones. So we're going to start up here. We're going to add some kind of pointy ones, and we're going to connect the little spaces. And we're just going to connect some of these areas. We're going to make some big kind of points around here. Some of these are going to be more kind of curved to make kind of like that shark fin look. Put another big one up here. Put one here, and we're just going to connect these two lines. Now we're just going to add some different kind of points on here. And a few more here. Next I'm going to add a couple little points on here. And we're going to do one right up here too on top of the head. Now, starting here, we want to add the gills. So we're just going to make a line that comes down, and a little line is going to curve out and in. Another line down, curve out and in, and another line down and curve out and in. Then starting here, I'm just going to add a couple little lines underneath here with a little circle shape right in here for the pupil. I'm going to add a couple little lines coming down here for some scars, and a couple more up here with a little line here and a little line there. I'm going to add some curved lines on here for some claws, and a couple little lines around here for some wrinkles, and a few more up here too. And a couple little lines around here. Now, right along here, we want to actually make a few more little shapes just to kind of make it look like there's some lava on him. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make some of these kind of rounded, geometric shapes on here. You can make some of them kind of touching the spikes, some of them around it, but you just don't want them to touch. They can touch the spikes, but not each other. So we're just going to make a few of these kind of coming around here. Almost kind of reminds me of how you would make like giraffe spots, like none of them are touching. You can make some smaller ones in here. And I'm just going to bring these all the way down to the tail. You can kind of fill in some of these areas with some of them. And there you go. There is your drawing of the MAGMA SHARKJIRA shark from Hungry Shark World. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.